Today, we're tackling a common yet frustrating issue: how to eliminate lice. Lice infestations can happen to almost anyone, and while they can be quite a nuisance, don't worry. We've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to eliminate lice effectively and prevent them from coming back. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's show you how to eliminate lice step by step. Get rid of it! Apply lice treatment shampoo. Start by applying an over-the-counter lice treatment shampoo to dry hair. Follow the instructions on the bottle carefully. These shampoos contain insecticides like pyrethrin or permethrin, which are effective at killing lice. Studies, like the one conducted by the Mayo Clinic in 2021, have shown these ingredients to be highly effective. Rinse and towel dry. After the recommended time, rinse the shampoo thoroughly with warm water and towel dry the hair. Comb out the nits. Use a fine-toothed lice comb to remove nits and dead lice from the hair. Work in small sections, starting from the scalp and combing outwards. It might take some time, but this step is crucial to ensure all nits are removed. Vinegar rinse. Mix equal parts white vinegar or apple cider vinegar with water and apply it to the hair. Vinegar helps to loosen the glue that holds nits to the hair shafts. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing. Essential oil treatment. For an extra boost, mix a few drops of tea tree oil, lavender oil, or eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, and massage it into the scalp. Cover your hair with a disposable shower cap and leave it on for at least an hour. A study from the Journal of Parasitology Research in 2017 found that these essential oils can help kill lice and soothe the scalp. Important note: if you have sensitive skin or are treating a child, it might be best to avoid using essential oils. Stick with the other methods. Rinse and comb again. After the oil treatment, rinse your hair thoroughly and comb through it again with the lice comb to remove any remaining nits. Wash and clean. Wash all clothing, bedding, and personal items that have been in contact with the infested person in hot water and dry them on a high heat setting. Vacuum your home thoroughly, especially areas where the infested person has spent a lot of time. The double treatment. Don't forget, this isn't a one-and-done battle. Lice eggs, called nits, can survive the initial treatment. To make sure you banish those bugs for good, repeat the entire process: shampoo, combing, and cleaning, in 7 to 10 days. This zaps any new lice that hatch from the nits before they can become a problem. It might feel like a long haul, but sticking to this double-duty approach will ensure your lice troubles are a thing of the past. Prevention tips. Prevention is key to avoiding future lice infestations. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Avoid sharing personal items like combs, hats, or towels. Regularly wash and disinfect hair accessories and brushes. Encourage children to avoid head-to-head contact during play. Consider using a few drops of essential oils like tea tree oil in your regular shampoo as a preventive measure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and stay lice-free.